To make one coaster, you will need 9.5 meters of cotton, cut into lengths 1 times 150 centimeters, 5 times 60 centimeters, 5 times 50 centimeters, and 6 times 40 centimeters. Using the longest piece, make a loop at one end. Now we'll add our first piece of 60 centimeter long cord using a reverse lark's head knot. We're taking that at the halfway point underneath the loop, and we're just pulling the long ends through, and then we're giving that a little bit of a tighten, and we're now going to add the 4 remaining cords onto our loop using all of the 60 centimeters, 5 in total, working our way round to create a bit of a circle, and that'll be the beginning of our coaster. Now have 5 cords added and a long end and a short end. Pull on the ends till it closes into a bit of a circle, and then trim off the short end. Now take the long end and run it in an anti-clockwise way over the added cords. Now we'll double half hitch each of those added cords onto the long cord, working our way round, taking each cord up and over the long cord twice before moving onto the next cord. Going once and twice for each of the cords. Before long, you'll start to notice gaps are appearing. This is where we start to add our cords. We now add a 50 centimeter piece using a reverse lark's head knot. Having added the piece, we then continue on, making double half hitch knots onto our long cord. Keep working your way around, turning your work, and when you reach a gap, adding your next piece. Adding the long pieces first, and just keep working in a circular motion until all your pieces have been added. Once you've added all your 50 centimeter cords, then into the gaps you add the 40 centimeter cords. Once your cords are getting shorter and you've added all your pieces, you can now trim any excess and brush your fringe of your coaster, flattening out the fibres. I'm adding a saucepan lid here and I'm pushing down onto the coaster. This creates a nice line for you to trim the fringe with. Trim your fringe all the way down to about 1 inch looks good, but it's up to you. So there you have it. You've made a coaster. You could make a few of these and give them as a gift. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to follow and subscribe for more free tutorials.